We have successfully retrofitted the tire pressure monitor sensor for this latest 530. Let's have a look. It's fully integrated and it's original BMW parts. It indicates each and every tire's air pressure, also temperature. You can select the unit of measurement, either kPa, bar or PSI.
第29届金曲奖颁奖典礼最佳新人奖入围的有。每天都想可以快点见到他了，他的手，知道了也是才是他的味觉，来电好几通，这让我想着 baby， 希望他马上就。